Assalamu alaikum, my name is Mahire Yaqup. I'm Australian citizen currently living in South Australia. I'm recording this testimony on the behalf of my sister Mahire Yaqup. Mahire Yaqup was born on 5th of October 1977 in Ulja, and this is the copy of her passport. Her passport number is G38324942. My sister is a single mother of 3. Life is hard being the only bread maker of the family. Working full-time as an insurance saleswoman in China Life Yili branch and part-time teaching to Uyghurs, teaching Mandarin to the Uyghurs in one of the language schools in Ulja. Her children were left behind when she was forced to join one of the concentration camps from March 2018 to December 2018 in Ulja, with a single reason of being Uyghur. At the time, we kept quiet, and that was the big mistake we made. After she returned from concentration camp, she was diagnosed with liver damage. In April 2019, she disappeared again without a trace. We sought contact with our family relatives, but Chinese government didn't allow them to talk to us. Not until I contacted the Australian government so they could find why she disappeared. We must speak up now. My name is Mahire Yaqup. I'm recording this testimony for my sister Mahire Yaqup. Thank you for watching.